Hello, we are here at the Denago Experience Center and we are filming the installation guidelines for the Denago Commute e-bike. This process will be the same for step-through or top tube models. First step is to establish a work area. Unbox the bike and remove. Stabilize the bike on the floor. It's now time to unpack the small parts box. You will find all the tools you need, the parts that you need to finish your assembly, and the quick start assembly guide. Next, let's remove all the packaging. Assembly step 1. Remove the top cap bolt and cardboard sleeve. Lift the handlebars up to the ride-ready position. Place the stem on the steer tube. Note the bolt is already inside the stem. Place over the steer tube and tighten using your Denago 5mm multi-tool. Next, secure and tighten the two bolts under the stem. This is the front end alignment. Following, our next step is monitor installation. Remove the bolts, place clamps on either side of the stem and return the bolts and secure. It is encouraged to leave these bolts slightly loose so you can adjust the angle for best visibility. Next, install the front headlight. There is a bracket off the stem faceplate. Insert the bolt and light and secure. Add the front reflector to either side of the monitor and secure. Step 2. Remove the black plastic disc on the front wheel. Note sometimes the front axle nut gets stuck in here. If missing, look here first. Next, remove the front yellow disc block. Do not squeeze the lever as it could cause the brakes to misalign. Next, remove the black block in between the fork blades. Grab your front wheel, lift the front end of the bike and slide the wheel while lowering the bike and fork onto the wheel, aligning the axle and dropouts. Make sure the washers are on the outside of the fork blades. You must align both the wheel and the disc rotor into the disc brake. Secure and tighten the axle nuts using your Denago wrench. Spin the wheel to ensure it rolls smoothly. Inspect to ensure the wheel is evenly positioned on the fork legs and centered. Tighten axle nuts one more time. Place the kickstand down so the bike is stable and able to stand on its own. Step 3. Seat and seat post adjustments. Open the seat clamp up and remove the seat. Grab the small pouch of grease that came with the small parts box and open. Apply a small amount of grease to the seat tube. Insert the seat to ensure it's always inserted below the minimum insertion mark. Secure quickly seat clamp. Step 4. Add rear reflector to seat post. Grab your pedals from the small parts box. Apply grease to the threads. Each pedal and each side of the crank is marked with a matching sticker. Grab the R pedal, right side or drive side, side with gears. Insert the pedal and pedal backwards until threaded on. Now use your Denago wrench to secure and tighten. Now go to the non-drive side or left side of the bike. Insert the pedal. Now use your Denago wrench to secure and tighten. Step 5. Fender installation. Feed the fender from back of the bike to front through the fork. Align the bracket on the fender with the bolt hole on the back side of the fork and secure with bolt. Next, secure the support arms on both sides of the fenders. There are brackets on the bottom of the forks to secure. You're almost done. Remove the key and secure in a safe place. The key is only used to remove the battery. Next, do a full safety inspection as highlighted in the back of your quick start guide. Spin the front wheel, spin the rear wheel, check all the bolts to make sure they're secure and tightened. Make sure your battery is fully charged and enjoy the ride.